but it's just not 7 stages. If you want to do a powder coating and get a warranty of an architectural, you need to do 7-stage architectural prep. Degreasers, washes in between, and that way you'll never have those air bubbles, the dust bubbles by accident, or any chips.
Can you tell me, are these all gonna have the same sort of powder coating?
So you got 7-stage, which is gonna be a 100 linear run. And on that 100 linear run, you're gonna have to do degreasers, washes in between, DI waters, zirconium coating, reverse osmosis in the end. And then from there, you're gonna have the pre-oven, which is gonna dry all those chemicals. That's a really, really rigid way to get your aluminum prep from the inside out. That's 7-stage. You can do also single stage, where you'll see a lot of small factories. You can watch their YouTube videos and kind of see their factories and kind of understand how they do their process. That's a tip. But you go in those little factories and what they do, which is fine, right? But it's just not 7 stages. What they do there, they do a buffing or just a degreaser. And then they have a small oven, they just put it in and that's it. That's kind of like a moms and pops, small factories. You'll see a single oven. To do a 7-stage, 7 stages called architectural way. So the architectural, if you want to do a powder coating and get a warranty of an architectural, you need to do 7-stage architectural prep. And now that's the big boys family, right? 100 feet linear running the stages, plus another 50, 60 feet to turn around, get a pre-oven, which is 40 feet, and then going into a 100 feet oven. Before the spray boot is about another 40 feet. So you're talking big boys level. That's how we do it. And that's how you want to do it when you got big beams like this, right? Pergolas and patio covers, beams, you don't want to do a single stage powder coating because that's all day in the sun. So that's a very important part when it comes to powder coating. And that way you'll never have those air bubbles, the dust bubbles by accident, or any chips. You know, regarding powder coating too, if you're gonna weld a system and you're gonna build the gate before you weld it, I guess this is a good question for you to ask.